Welcome to the heart of urban mobility, where steel becomes the soul of the city. The journey begins with these massive 20-ton rolls of cold-rolled steel. Automated decoilers prepare the metal for a transformation of extreme force. Blanking machines cut the steel into precise shapes, the blueprint of a legend. Enter the press shop, a world of massive hydraulic power. With 2,000 tons of pressure, the steel sheet meets its destiny. In one thunderous stroke, the flat metal is stretched into a rigid U-body. The monocoque chassis is born stronger, lighter, and built to last. Robotics take over, handling the heavy steel with effortless precision. Internal reinforcements are stamped to ensure a stable, safe ride. High-speed piercing creates the mounting points for every future component. Now, the skeleton is fused. A dance of fire and automation begins. 10,000 sparks fly as spot welding robots join the steel layers. Every weld is a bond of safety, calculated for maximum structural rigidity. Industrial adhesives are applied for a whisper-quiet, vibration-free ride. Ultrasonic testing ensures every weld is deep and perfect. The body-in-white shell takes flight, moving toward the chemical labs. A master's touch ensures every seam is as smooth as glass. The headstock, the steering heart, is integrated into the U-body. Heavy-duty bearings are pressed home, ready for a million turns. A permanent laser-etched VIN marks this scooter's unique identity. A silent army of steel, waiting for the ultimate protection. Corrosion is the enemy, and we are about to win the war. The body is submerged in a degreasing bath to remove all impurities. High-pressure jets ensure not a single molecule of oil remains. A zinc phosphate bath creates a microscopic, jagged surface for paint. This crystalline layer is the secret to a lifetime of rust protection. Next is the E-Coda 50,000-liter pool of high-tech black primer. The body is electrically charged, acting as a giant magnet for paint. CGI. Every hidden corner and hollow tube is coated from the inside out. It emerges as a uniform black shell, armored against the elements. Purified water rinses away the excess, leaving a flawless base. In the 180-degree oven, the E-coat cross-links into a diamond-hard shield. Baking ensures the primer becomes part of the steel itself. Seam sealers are applied, making the chassis 100% airtight. Digital gauges verify the armor thickness. Only perfection is allowed. We enter the clean room, the high-stakes world of urban color. High-velocity air curtains act as a barrier against even a speck of dust. Robotic bells spin at 60,000 revolutions per minute, atomizing the paint into mist. The metallic finish is applied with a computerized overlapping stroke. Electrostatic forces pull the paint to the body for zero waste efficiency. Inside and out, the vibrant color is locked onto the U-body. The final clear coat is the crowning jewel, total protection and shine. Look at that reflection. This is the mirror finish of a mass production marvel. Cured and dry, these colorful shells are ready for their mechanical heart. In a sterile sub-factory, the 125 cubic centimeter engine is meticulously built. Precision jigs allow technicians to assemble with total accuracy. The crankshaft and piston, the oscillating heart, are set into place. Head bolts are torqued in a star pattern for perfect compression. The CVT transmission, the secret to effortless city cruising, is looped. The centrifugal clutch is integrated, ready for stop-and-go traffic. Fuel injection systems are synced to the ECU brain for peak efficiency. The first fill of synthetic oil, the lifeblood of the powertrain. A cold test verifies oil pressure before a single drop of fuel is used. The marriage, the painted steel body lowers onto the drivetrain. Heavy-duty bolts merge the shell and the engine into one unit. Dual rear shocks are connected, tuned for the roughest city streets. The front suspension and hydraulic brakes provide the ultimate control. Brake fluid is pumped in, a vital link between the rider and safety. The electrical nervous system is threaded through the steel tunnel. Waterproof connectors ensure the digital dash stays active in any weather. For the first time, the scooter stands tall on its own two wheels. The fuel tank is nestled deep inside, keeping the weight low for agility. Charcoal canisters are connected, keeping the urban air clean. High-tech liquid cooling hoses are linked to the front radiator. Bright green coolant fills the veins, ready to fight the summer heat. What was once flat steel is now a fully functional machine. A final mechanical check ensures every cable is tight and responsive. The final transformation begins as the high-quality trim is added. Plastic shields are snapped onto the steel hooks with a satisfying click. The huge underseat storage bin provides the utility riders crave. LED headlights provide a piercing beam for the dark city nights. Side panels snap on, completing the iconic urban silhouette. The ergonomic seat is the final touch of rider comfort. Branding is applied, the signature of quality and mass production. Mirrors and plates are added, making it street legal and ready. Behold the finished marvel, a fusion of steel, color, and technology. The first liter of fuel enters the system, the moment of truth. One press of the button and the silent purr of the city wakes up. The engine idles perfectly, a testament to 1,000-hour engineering. Lights, signals, and sensors are verified for the final time. It's time to move to the dyno, the final test of urban speed. On the rollers, we push the scooter to its maximum legal limit. ABS sensors are put to the test, ensuring total stopping confidence. The computer confirms, perfect power, perfect emissions, perfect ride. In the light tunnel, we look for perfection in every reflected beam.
All right, bring the pallet down slowly.
Protective films are applied, preserving the shine for the new owner. Loaded for delivery, these urban warriors are heading to the street. From flat steel to a city legend, this is the journey of the scooter. Thanks for watching. This is Mass Production Marvels, built for you.